am so ready for spring. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today we're doing a plan with me through the week of March 3rd through the 9th. So this is the last week before we have our spring break, and it couldn't come fast enough. I'm so excited to just relax, recharge, regroup, and then finish out the last part of the school year strong. I think everybody needs a little break right now, and it's just going to be really good. So we got to get through this week though, and this is the kit I wanted to use because I'm over winter. I want it to be spring. We're going to have a couple of cool days this week, but mostly it's going to be pretty mild. So this is going to be kind of perfect. This is a really cute kit, and I just really like the vibe of it. So we've got the full boxes. This is called Wildflower from Jessica Hart's. She just came back from a break, and I just saw this one and I had to have it. It's so pretty. And then we've got some date covers, which these are gorgeous, and a weekend banner. And then we also have this extra box that came in my kit. I think we can incorporate this too. And then there's a couple extra things on here. I have this dot marker in, what is this color? Pale Moss. I was looking for a green or like a blue, anything that would match this, and I just couldn't find it, and I almost grabbed the gray, but I do think this will work with all of the green in the full boxes. Now this is my makselife planner. If you are not familiar with this planner, I use it for all of my weekly planning, also my goal setting. So here are my weekly actions for this week. We're getting into a new month, so I have new goals, and I'm excited to just start fresh. I do my plan with me's with a pre-plan on Sunday the week before, and then I will go ahead and fill you in as many days as I can. Then at the end of the week, we'll add in some pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. And we're ready to get started, so let's do it. We're going to begin with the bottom washi. So these strips are the perfect size for me to bump them down just a little bit, and then I have plenty of room for my daily gratitude. I'm just trimming off the excess, and I kind of moved the strip on the right over just a little bit because I really liked that scene. And then I'm using the extra over here to cover up the bottom two habits. And then we are moving to date cover. So I'm just writing in the numbers because like I just couldn't be bothered to add numbers or look for any. And you can see through them a bit. And you can kind of see the shadow of the text on the page, which I didn't realize until I was like halfway done with this little setup. And I don't care. It's fine. And then we're going to move to the weekend banner. You'll know I love a weekend banner. And then the full boxes are gorgeous. So I'm grabbing some that I wanted to be sure to use, putting those in the spots that I wanted. You know the drill. They go in their quote unquote normal spots. These are just gorgeous. Love them. I like the whole peaceful vibe of this kit too. It's beautiful. And then I'm just putting in some glitter headers across the top just to fill that little space where I have that open. And then I'm moving to adding in a few stickers here. So I had a spring forward sticker for Sunday, which still trying to adjust to that. And then I added a International Women's Day sticker to the 8th. And then I'm just using my dot marker to add in some hearts for daily gratitude and dots for to-dos. And then just writing in my habits. I'm using the same ones I've been using for the past few weeks. I think I'm going to go to 4 habits soon. I don't know. Because like I'm putting some stuff in my wellness log. And it like makes sense to be over there. But I don't know. I'm still thinking that through. So on Tuesday, this was my friend Carrie's birthday, so I put in a little Coffee Monsters Co. emoji for that. And then I made a reminder to myself to make sure I put together her gift. And then on these other days, I'm just adding in like normal to-dos, habits, things like that just happen every week. And I also checked my monthly calendar to see what videos I had coming up. Added those in there. And lastly, a box in the sidebar for my favorite moment of the week. It is Wednesday, so let's do a quick check-in. This week so far has been pretty good. what has been happening. I'm like on my workouts. We're doing well on that front. My parents, like, all the deals are done for them to be moving in a couple weeks. What else? School's been pretty good this week, although there's so many kids out. It's like kind of comical at this point. But today I got up early. I did this thing. Okay, I just wanted to try to see if I could do it and see if it would, like, how painful would it be to do a morning walk. So I got up 35 minutes early and I just walked. I didn't use my weighted vest or anything. I did do incline, but like I just walked and it was nice. So I'm thinking on my active rest days, like days where I still want to do something but not go like so crazy. Teddy, hush. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to do that. So like Wednesdays and Fridays would be good days for me to do my morning walks and just kind of get in some extra activity. I'm also seeing my endocrinologist next week. So I'm going to talk to him about just some questions I have and some ways that I can make some progress. So I'm excited about that as well. I just did a huge cleaning session. About an hour and a half of just straight cleaning. I got so much done though. Oh, so good. I used to hate like doing all of my cleaning on one day, so I spaced it out and followed like the Clean Mama routine. And while that is valuable and I'll probably go back to it at some point, for right now I'm prioritizing my activity and stuff, so it's just, it makes more sense to do it this way. But I got a new couch last week, and so I shampooed my carpets in the living room. I think maybe next week I'd like to do like the rest of the house. It's just a big chore because you have to like move everything out of the room. It's just annoying, but it is like super satisfying. Gratitude on this day. I'm going to put my parents. Their buyer almost backed out, which she had backed out of 2 other sales too. So I was like nervous about that, but she put my parents through hell for like the last like week and a half with her nonsense. But thankfully, the deal is done and everybody can breathe a sigh of relief. Oh, I put a new cover on. Isn't it cute? I love this one. But yeah, I'm glad that's over. I decided to take off a few days next week to help out with their move. So I'm going to, not next week, whenever they're moving in a couple weeks, so that I can just kind of be there to help out, run errands, whatever they need. So I did go to bed a little bit early last night, which I think helped me get up early this morning. But yeah, we're going to try that out. Let's take a little quick peek at my wellness log. I am going to be doing kind of a kickstart next week, and I am filming a vlog and everything because the wellness vlog did surprisingly well. Like, I know that there's people looking for that content because I'm looking for it, and so I'm excited to vlog a little more because it's spring break. I'll have some time to do that. So I don't know, I was just shocked that it did that well, but I'm very excited to do that next week. But here is this week. So far we're doing really, really well. I have been on track with my food. I try to go 80-20. The past few weeks I've been going like 90-10. It's like really on track. Still not losing any weight, but it is what it is. I'm feeling good physically and mentally. I'm just like in the zone. So I'm curious to see what my endocrinologist says next week about that situation. I have some ideas of what I can do, but I don't know. I want to hear from him. Anyway, that's it for today. It is Saturday. This week has been exhausting. I think it was just like a combo of like just having to get a lot done at work, plus kind of stepping up my workouts and just the anticipation of spring break. I had it in my head like the whole time, like, oh, it's going to be so nice to be off for a week and all of that. But it was a really, really good week. I feel like I made a lot of progress, not on the financial front, but we'll get to that. But the rest of the week has been really, really good. I got so much done on Wednesday. My workouts have been excellent, and I tried morning walks for the first time on Wednesday and Friday. I forgot to put AM here, but it's fine. I got up 30 minutes earlier. I think when we go back to school in a week, I'm going to have to do like 35 minutes just to give myself a little bit of a buffer. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like horrible, but it actually wasn't. Now, I don't think I couldn't like jump straight into a HIIT workout or strength workout or anything that early in the morning. I need to like warm up, but just walking, totally fine. I got in some steps. I got some energy. I just had like a burst of energy going into my days that I just wasn't expecting. So I'm excited to bring those back when we do go back to school. The plan next week is to kind of do a dry run of the summer break. I tend to fall off the wagon in the summer just because there's no structure and stuff. But I think if I just kind of try this, and it'll give me an idea of what I want to work towards. So that's the plan for next week. But let's finish up this week. So we're all caught up pretty much. I'm in the midst of Yellow Jackets. I watched the first season like 2 years ago. I forgot a lot about what happened in the story because it kind of jumps between different timelines. And there's a lot of characters too. So I'm rewatching the first season. I'm almost done with that. And then I'll get onto the second season. And the third one is like coming out right now. So it is such a good show. So interesting. So like there's twists around every corner. And I'm just really enjoying that show a lot. So this week is pretty much done because we're fully in spring break now. And I just want to relax today and tomorrow. I am going to get some stuff done, obviously, but I just kind of want to ease into spring break. Next week is going to be, I kind of have an idea of like what I want to do with my workouts, but it's going to be like not a busy week, a balanced week, I could say. So I'm just kind of soaking up time right now, relaxing. I had a very lazy morning and I'm just kind of getting to my planner and it's like noon. But today, few things I need to get done. I don't know if I'm going to do laundry today. As I say, that's my first thing. I don't know that I'm going to do that. I might save that till Monday because I do have the whole week off. So let's just go ahead and put an arrow. But I do need to get some editing done. I need to film my reflections and weekly actions, which I accidentally already started just a minute ago. So we're going to jump straight into that. And then I also want to schedule a massage. I got a like a gift card to a local place from one of my friends. And like now's a great time to do that. And if they have availability, I will definitely do that. If not, I'll just save it for like the first week of summer. And then tomorrow it's just a couple of errands. And then my sister is coming over and we're going to do a movie night. We've been doing themed movie nights lately and it's so fun. So this time we're going to do She's the Man. I'm so excited. I love that movie. We both do. So it's so silly, but it's like the humor has held up. It's so funny. I love that movie so much. So I'm really, really excited to do that tomorrow night. We have been lacking on the sister time, so I'm really trying to make an effort to make time for that. I don't have to put in the effort. It's really like, when is she available? Because she has 3 kids and I have none besides, I mean, if we want to count my 3 cats as children, we can, but not the same thing. Also tomorrow I'm going to start a wellness plan with me, and then next week I'm going to vlog a little bit and just kind of have fun with that. Since it is spring break, like why not go into a vlog, you know? Let's do it. So that is what is on the plan today. Now, also, it's supposed to snow. We're under a winter weather advisory. We're supposed to get 6 inches of snow. So I'm not leaving the house today, which I wasn't planning to anyway. Like I'm still in my pajamas. Actually, I changed into new pajamas because that's the kind of day I'm having. It's just it's not necessarily a no day. It's just I'm going to enjoy the hell out of this day. So far, haven't done a lot, but I'll get a few things done. So gratitude today. I'm going to put my kitties, just because we've had some quality snuggle time so far today. I love when it's a little bit colder because they just get so snuggly and it's just amazing. So I want to put in a full box here because I have the room. I don't know why this box is weirding me out so much. We're not going to use that one. I don't know. It just gives me weird vibes. But we are going to use this one because I think it is absolutely beautiful and it's a little pop of color in there. The snow is supposed to start like any second now. So I'm just going to grab a sticker for that as well. I'm going to grab this little box. Actually, let's just kind of gauge. Okay, we're good. Gosh, the cats are arguing over who gets the top of the cat tree right now. Does it really matter right now? Apparently, yes. So we're having a snow day. I don't really like that. Let's change it. I thought I was going to be fine with it. No, not so much. So let's put this here. This is a beautiful full box. And then we'll put this here. So it's, you know, if you live in the Texas Panhandle, you just are expecting the unexpected. So I don't know how much we're going to get. Last time they said we were going to get like an inch and we ended up getting 12 inches. So who knows? All right. I think that's it for today. I haven't done any journaling or anything over here, but I probably have some pictures to include. So we'll do that. But here is the week so far. I'll see you tomorrow to finish things up. It is Sunday. I have pictures. I just went and picked those up and I just cut them apart. So I need to trim a couple of them, but this is kind of where I'm going with it. So I'm going to trim these real quick, get them down on the page. I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. Now let's see if I can find something for my sidebar here. I've got deco. Let's see if I can find anything at all to work. Flowers. I've got flowers. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Sometimes I just save deco from kits because I know that I'll like have a place for them sometime. So there we go. Okay, so I'm going to make a couple of little notes here. Right here, what do I want to do? I don't think I have any like... No, I have that weird full box left. Let's see. I can just write a note. Also, I did do this, but I need to do the rest of this. My sister's coming over in like an hour-ish, so I've got a little bit of time to use. And let me use a glitter header just as a divider. Now, habits. I did do all of this. I am so over budget this month. It is so bad. But it is what it is at this point. I get paid in a few days. It'll be fine. But I'm just like, good Lord. I have overspent this month so badly. Okay, so favorite moment of the week. I'm probably going to have to say either spring break or our movie night tonight. Even though we haven't done it yet. I'm just going to go ahead and put our movie night because I know it's going to be fun. So next I'm going to start a wellness plan with me and then vlog and film throughout the next week. Wash my hair tonight, YouTube prep, the video for this spread over here, which I'm going to work on next. So that is this week. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. It was a little choppy, but we came back around toward the weekend. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'd love for you to stick around and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next week. Bye.